Good morning, class 8. Today is the last module of this chapter. It is more important for us to knowing about these things. So this is the basic liner. First chapter is the basic outline of all history chapters. Now our today's topic is survey. Okay, just a minute. Hold on. Surveys. To knowing about the things, to judge about the things. You also doing these things. You also surveyed before admitting in school, before admitting in hospital, before going to any hotel or any place, you also surveyed. Okay. Similarly, Britishers do surveys. Now, in 1767, it was the logo, old logo, Survey of India, Geological Survey. Now, the question is that why survey? The Britishers believed that a country had to be properly known before it could be effectively administrated. The word administrated. Therefore, practice of surveying became common under the colonial administration. They believed that it is appropriate to know about the condition of the people, condition of the part which they want to rule or administrate. For that purpose, they do the survey. By the early 19th century, detailed survey were being carried out to map the entire country. India is the vast country, and at that time we are belonging to the princely states. More than 500 princely states were there. So at that time, knowing of, and every state have the different thing. Similarly, we are different from others and we are equal also. So finding out these things, Britishers conduct survey. In the village, revenue survey, collection of the revenue, you should read about this one, about different settlement, permanent settlement, auctioning of the land, Royatwadi system, Mahalwadi system, Munro system in your upcoming chapters. Revenue survey, during the revenue survey, when they conducted, they know about the topography, temperature, rainfall, living standard of the people, the quality of soil, flora and fauna, the local histories, and the cropping pattern. There are three kinds of cropping pattern generally we followed in India: Rabi, Kharif, and Zaid. So, for knowing that, they surveyed in revenue survey topography, all geographical things, then soil quality, that which soil is important. For example, they pressurize the people to grow the indigo in Bihar and Bengal, and also pressurize the people to grow opium. So it was due to the surveys. They find out the things, that quality of the soil, people, topography, temperature, rainfall, then the plain or hilly region, what kind of flora and fauna, what kind of plant kingdom or animal kingdom is there, and their local histories, that who ruled over there, which dynasty ruled, and the cropping pattern. So it is easy for them to administrate by knowing about the things. From the end of 19th century, Sensex operations were held every 10 years, which provide detailed record of number of the people. Just like that, you are having the Aadhaar card, Jan Aadhaar card, the people survey, detail that how many peoples and these peoples, although they are belonging to the class, caste, religion, okay. So these things were there. We can say that the census give the information, the percentage of male, female, children's, working population, non-working population. So brief about all the people. Then the surveys such as botanical survey, zoological survey, archaeological survey, anthropological survey, forest survey also done to introduce new policies and programs. Just like that, in India they introduced scientific forestry, and the scientific forestry institute was set up in Dehradun. That was not at all scientific because they cut down all the mixed kind of trees and grow a single kind of tree to supply the timber for Royal Navy. Okay. I'm again so these things we already completed. Now the last part which was remaining, this one. What official record do not tell, official record do not tell what other people in the country felt that what lay behind their action. We need to look these in officials record, which are more difficult to get than official record. Diaries of the people, accounts of pilgrims and travelers, autobiographies, popular booklets, newspapers, written ideas, written records. So these are the limitations also for the people, those were surveying the thing, or we, if we want to recollect all these things, we have to face these kind of problems. I hope you understand, and you can ask your doubts in Zoom class. Thank you.